In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your desktop by adding essential shortcuts for quick and easy access, specifically covering how you can easily add the recycle bin icon back onto your desktop using the personalization settings on your computer. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and keep your most used tools right at your fingertips. To get started, you'll want to make sure you're at your computer's desktop. Simply minimize any open windows so you have a clear view of your desktop screen. Now position your mouse cursor anywhere on this open space. You'll want to right-click there. This is a universal way to bring up a context menu, offering you several options to modify your desktop or its settings. From the context menu that has appeared, you'll see an option labeled Personalize. You're going to click on that. Selecting this option takes you to the personalization settings of your computer, which is where we can make visual and functional adjustments to your desktop environment. Once you're in the personalization menu, you want to look for the section labeled Themes. Clicking on Themes will redirect you to a different set of options, all revolving around the visual and sensory aspects of your device. Themes are not just about backgrounds and colors, but include icons and sounds as well, offering a cohesive customization experience. Within the Themes section, direct your attention to the Desktop Icons setting. This feature focuses on what icons are visible on your desktop. It allows you to decide which system icons, like My Computer, Network, or in this case, Recycle Bin, are displayed on your desktop for easy access. Now here's the part where we add the Recycle Bin to your desktop. Look for the listing of icons, and you should see a checkbox for Recycle Bin. Ensure it is checked. By checking this box, you're telling your computer that you want the Recycle Bin to be one of the visible desktop icons, making it conveniently accessible whenever you need it. Once you have checked the box for the Recycle Bin, simply close out of the Settings menu. You can now return to your desktop, where you should see the Recycle Bin icon fully restored to your workspace. And there you have it, you're all set. The Recycle Bin is no longer a few clicks away. Now it's right where you need it for easy and immediate access. This small adjustment not only saves time, but also helps keep your desktop organized, giving you one less thing to worry about when managing your files. Remember, personalization like this can greatly enhance the efficiency and comfort of your computing habits. So enjoy your newly customized desktop and happy computing.